You will want to call this home when you see it. This is a very well-maintained and updated one-story home, with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with a study, which could be used as a 4th bedroom. It has an open floor plan and high ceilings that features a skylight in the kitchen. Leaded front door. AC and kitchen appliances were replaced in 2016. Brand new wood floors were also installed, tile in all the wet areas and entry, carpet only in the bedrooms. Did I mention, lawn maintenance and pest control service is covered by the landlord? Enjoy the covered patio and beautifully maintained backyard. This home is also zoned to the highly sought-after Alvin ISD.